Hello everyone. So today we'll be unboxing this new wireless charging that is Aerosync PB by Ambrane. This is a MagSafe charger, power bank, and we will check this out with our new phone, nothing Phone-1. Okay. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's unbox this quickly. And along with that, I want to also show you I have nothing ear-1, so we'll also test that out with case, without case, and nothing Phone-1 also with case and without case. Okay, so I ordered it directly from Ambrane site. So this is the case, they like, this is the power bank they have, and this is also iPhone compatible. I'm not very sure whether this will work with nothing Phone-1 or not, so let's see. This was released on August. This is a 10,000 milliampere like mAh battery, and here in this box we have and warranty card, I guess. So I have query advice, this and we have this Ambrane QR code for app, and this is Aerosync PB power bank. So what else we have? We also have this cable. The standard of the cable is quite good, so it's pretty good compared to other power bank cables. So okay, let's keep all this aside. So this is what we have. So this is also available in Amazon. I'll also share the link in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is seems pretty premium look. It's not like so here it's a base thing is like you can stand your mobile phones and anything, you can start it there. So let's see how if that works. So I'm not very sure. I'm very excited. I don't know whether to know how to power this on. Okay, here we have a power button. And this also like type C, and also you have USB. This side is nothing. Let's switch this on. Does it have any LED indicator? Yes, here we have. This indicator is not glowing. I'm not sure whether it is does it have any no charge, is it already charged, or do I need to charge it? Because it is none of the LEDs are glowing. Let me see if this is chargeable or what. This is embarrassing. Oh, it is glowing. See, so it has three. Okay, so once I charge this, the green light started appearing. See, and that LEDs are started glowing. Once I remove it, the LED stays constant. Okay, so this is the moment that we are waiting for. Yeah, it is charging, but we need to place it. I just saw the charging, what do you call, the indicator. I found that this was not, this was like this initially, this was not getting on. After I charged it for 5-10 minutes, it started no started the power started glowing, the power indicator started glowing. Now you can clearly see this is indicator is glowing. Now this is my phone 1. I'll just try to place it on the top. See, it started charging. You can clearly see the charging wirelessly. So we can conclude that this Aerosync PB would able to charge, be able to charge this nothing phone 1. The only problem is it is not MagSafe. So you can, let me show it again. Wirelessly charging wirelessly. So one thing I have noticed, so this is actually getting little bit, like the phone got little heated, and also that power bank got little heated. So anyways, I'm very happy, like at least it is charging. Then I have ordered that MagSafe rings to at least support this. So probably when I'll get this, I'll also have an video. So one more thing I just want to check with this case, is it MagSafe or not? At least it should charge. I know it is not MagSafe, but it's, so it is charging, wirelessly charging, you can see. So with the case also it charging. So there is no issue, I can see. So it is charging along with the case. Great. So yeah, that's all. This is Aerosync PB-10, recently released, and here we have nothing ear-1, and let's see if it is able to charging it. Okay, let me check whether it is on or not. I just powered it on, that LED started blinking, and I check it is charging. I'm not sure whether you would be able to see it or not, but it is charging. Indicator gone. Now I placed it, it's charging. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.